So I found this little baby bird in the greenhouse. So I'm, oh, there it goes. So I'm putting it out here in the bushes. Hey, baby bird. I gave it some mushed up dog food. There he goes. There he goes. Go into the bushes. Your mama come feed you. You gotta holler real loud for your mama. I'll take the dumb dogs inside. Okay. We'll come back and see you. There you go. Looks like a robin. But they say the fledglings can make it. The fledglings can make it. Bye, birdie. Bye-bye. I'll come back.